Hello everyone, it's Mr. Why Not, Tony Royster, and this is my Philly love story. In the back of my project building, it was a drill team. I started playing around on buckets with pencils and spoons and butter knives when I was 2, and then my mom allowed me to join the drill team when I was 4. So I actually started drumming on the drill team at 4.
Put down the guns and pick up some drums. Put down the guns and pick up some drums. He said, put down the guns. Who you rockin' with?
I strive to keep a positive mind, to decrease negative reactions, to bring unity to our community, and enjoy life abundantly, avoiding negativity. And why do I do this? To bring smiles to the hearts of my neighbors and to be role models to others. So around 2013, I lost a good friend that was also on another drill team, a good drummer, through gun violence, mistaken identity. And after that happened, everyone was super sad and was just trying to figure out, what we can do. I decided that, we'll promote Put Down the Guns and Pick Up Some Drums for a better community. I'm from the projects. Coming up, I experienced a whole lot of trauma and drama, hearing gunshots almost every day, just having friends lose other friends through gun violence while living in the projects. The drill team is what saved my life, basically the drums. Elmo been around from the beginning. The question was, what would make my company different from all the other drill teams? And what makes us different is that we're entertainment and everyone loves Elmo. But we had Elmo, Mickey Mouse, we had Big Hero 6, Baymax, we had the Minions, all types of different characters, but everyone loves Elmo. When you having that block party, you're gonna call Positive Movement, and you'll have your DJ, you'll have your drumline, and you'll have the kid characters as well. And then Elmo became a really big deal at the Junkyard Fire in Kensington in 2018 when we went viral. It's so much negativity that's going on in the world, and it's easy to get caught up into it. So yes, we need more positive people. We need more positive organizations, and just people that want to change. Sometimes it's really hard. We be in certain situations where you feel as though it's no way out. But I'm here to let you know that it is, and it's okay to be different as well. What I feel in my heart is that it's a Philly Elmo in everyone. It's just about how you bring it out. And how do you bring that out? By being positive, being helpful, being respectful, and my smile should make you smile.
Put down the guns and pick up some drums. Put down the guns and pick up some drums. We said put down the guns.